Hi, Diana.
Hi, Brianna.
Hi, Nirja.
Hi.
Hi, Michael.
Hey, how are you today?
Hi, Kate. Hi. I'm renovating my pre-war bathroom in New York City, and I asked AI to create a rendering. And I want you to talk me out of it.
I'm looking at the current space, is what I'm seeing here. Okay.
Yep.
Looks pretty spot on for a pre-war bathroom.
Can you show me the rendering that AI created?
Absolutely.
Let's see what you've got there.
Well, that is very creative.
This is what I want.
It's really just not anchored in the way people actually move or live or feel.
Beautiful bathroom AI created for you, but also looks like AI really expanded the bathroom.
It's not necessarily impossible off the bat, but you will for sure need to expand.
But for example, you cannot expand your bathroom over a living area or a bedroom. So I'm not sure if AI actually considered that.
There are quite a few blaring things that are really concerning to me as a designer. AI is not accounting for the time, the money, the process, the bureaucracy of moving around windows.
Of course, another issue here with this is that window is not accurate to the existing conditions, so this niche would not be possible.
What we could do, say if a client would like a niche in the exterior wall, we can actually frame out the wall and then make a niche that way, and not by penetrating into the building wall.
What advice do you have to someone who is renovating a space and is considering using AI to alter renderings?
I think just to give you like a quick idea, it's not bad, but I will definitely advise to only try those things as like quick options and not take them as 100% accurate.
The designer can interpret your feelings and your desires. For you, the way you actually move and how you work with your space, this is something really I've only seen a designer be able to do.
I think it's good in the very early stages, so that way you can kind of get all your thoughts down, and then I'll help guide you into how we can make this actually a reality. It's similar to like looking at a Pinterest page and like a bunch of images there. You're kind of saying, well, I like this and I like that. What do they look like together?
AI is great. I like this tool. I use it in my work as well. But I think what AI is not considering is the proportions of the space, is the things that are allowed or not allowed by the building co-ops to do during the renovation. While it's a good tool maybe just for the visual inspiration, it's not a reliable tool to build off.
But yeah, at the end of the day, I would love if you hired us and, designers and people instead of just AI. That's what I would hope for and, advise on.